Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get started receiving Craigslist emails in your email inbox. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So once you have opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here you can get started browsing all the categories we can use for getting items, and what we can do in the upper right corner is going to log into your account. This is what you want to do to be able to post ads. If you have not already, you can go and sign up for an account. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. So once you have logged in, you're going to be seeing all the messages right here at the top of the screen you have, such as posting, searches, settings, notifications, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how you receive emails on our email that we have used for signing up. So basically guys, once you post an ad, Craigslist is automatically going to be creating a forwarding email for you, so people do not know your real email, and it's going to be sent from there. But if you need any more help, you can go into the help section right here on Craigslist and take a look at the replying to posts option. This is going to tell you what to do if you keep getting some common errors, what if I get a default mail client not properly installed message, and so on, how the relay email addresses work if you want to learn more about them, and so on. If you need more information regarding your email, but you're going to be receiving any email that you get from the post on your ads automatically, you do not have to turn anything on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.